Okay guys, so this is the Silver Jubilee quilt block of the month through Annie's, and this is the block that I'm working on. Let's see how this comes together. I'm Lynn with Soft Squares. So I have got this new subscription through Annie's, and it's my first time doing a block of the month. I don't usually like scrappy looking blocks like this, but what I do like is that they're all the same fabric, and I want to try some different blocks that are maybe more challenging to me. So I decided to try this, and this month they are doing this block, which is the bow tie, and you can see where it lays out on the pattern right here, although I'm guessing you can put it anywhere you want. So then it has all these different fabrics that are part of the quilt, and they will send you the fabric that's needed for that particular block for that month. And this month is the bow tie, so I'm going to show you how to put together just one bow tie. I'm not going to do the whole block because the whole block is full of these little bow ties. I'll show you again what it looks like. But it basically consists of 4 blocks. So you have, like this one right here, 2 whites and 2 darks, and the whites have the corners snowballed, basically. So you're going to have little blocks like this, and you're going to have blocks like this. You're going to join them, and then together you're going to get this. Look how cute that is. So here's my snowballed block right here. Can you see that? Anyway, it's just follow the instructions. We're going to do that. We're going to do one of those right now. So I've already cut all my pieces according to the cutting instructions, and now I have all these little piles of little squares. There's actually 4 different dark colors here in this. So first thing you're going to do, let's start over. I've pre-cut all of my fabrics, and I have followed instructions on how many to cut, and I've started to label them. So this is the base fabric, and this is what they also call block A. This is pattern or fabric 2. This one right here is 3. So I've got my little labels in there. And 4, and then there's 5. So with each block you just follow the pattern and instructions, but I basically had to make a larger square and a smaller square. And I've already put this block together, so I'll show you what I meant, but this is the smaller square. So they refer to this bigger block as block B, and the smaller square is block C. And the instructions say to take the back of all of your C's and draw a line. I don't know if you can see that, from corner to corner. Although if you want to or feel more comfortable doing it a different way, you certainly can. I just decided to follow the instructions exactly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your A fabric and your, am I in the screen? I am not, I'm so sorry. Take your A fabric and lay your C fabric on top of it with the line going across the corner, and then sew it. After you sew it, you're going to cut a 1/4 inch off and then press it back. So I've actually already done that, and so this is what the first block looks like. I haven't squared it up yet, but that is my A block with the C block, and I've already cut that corner off. And to put the block together, it takes 4 of these. So we're going to do this. You always put the little piece into the middle. There we go. I'm working on the iron situation too. All right, so that is the bow tie block. So now I'm going to sew them together. I'm going to square them up because this is not very square, and then sew them together. So I have my cut table set up already, and I'm standing at it, And it also has an ironing pad, which I can't show you just yet, but it also has a sewing machine on it. So I'm actually able to stand here when I need to, which is awesome. Except the sewing machine that I'm using is my Viking, and it's the Sapphire, and I love this machine. However, it's not the machine I usually use, and so I have not found my 1/4 inch foot for it since I moved, because there's so many things have been shoveled so many times. So now those are square. So now I'm going to sew this to this and this to this, and I'm kind of guessing on what the 1/4 inch is, so wish me luck. All right, so I've got these 2 blocks sewn. I just chain stitched them and left the little piece between attached, which actually makes it easier for making this because your joints is already together. So there's that. Now we're going to nest the seams and sew 1/4 inch-ish down the side and press it. Okay, and there's our bow tie block. Now we need to square this block up. And again, my issue really is that I don't have my 1/4 inch foot out, so I'm kind of guessing. And not too bad. It's not perfect. Make that up into the seam. So here's one block and here's another block. And that's how you make a bow tie block, which is what this is. So I'm going to finish making this on my own and then join them together block by block, and then put this aside and wait till the next month. So join me on this sew along. So please join me on this sew along as we do the Silver Jubilee block of the month together. I'll put the link below so that you can sign up for it if you would like. I love this because I supply the pattern and the materials, and they even have tutorials on how to do it. So this is awesome, and it's my first time doing a true sampler quilt. I'm not usually a fan of all the random blocks, but I'm stretching out of my box, trying new things. And this will give me some new skills to learn all these different blocks anyway. All right, again, look at the link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you again for being here. Have a good day.